Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we're going to take a look at the beginner's guide to cloud computing. Cloud computing represents a significant shift in how we store, manage, and access data and applications. This presentation provides an easy to understand guide for beginners looking to understand the fundamental concepts of cloud computing. Let's go ahead and take a look at some more details. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, that is servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and more over the internet, which is known as the cloud. This model allows for on-demand access to resources without direct active management by the user. It's a very flexible model and you only pay for what you use. Let's look in a little bit more detail. Unlike traditional computing, which relies on local servers and hardware, cloud computing utilizes remote servers that can be accessed from anywhere. This enhances flexibility and reduces the need for physical infrastructure, and also reduces costs by quite a bit. One of the most significant advantages of cloud computing is the ability to access data and applications from any device with an internet connection. This flexibility enables remote work and collaboration across the globe. Cloud computing can lead to significant cost savings as users only pay for what they use. It's really more of like a utility model, like your electric bill. You only pay for what you use. Also, it allows for easy scalability, enabling businesses to adjust resources based on demand without the need for large upfront investments. Cloud service providers manage maintenance and updates, ensuring that users always have access to the latest features and security measures without the hassle of manual updates. This can be a great savings in terms of operational costs. SaaS, or software as a service, provides users with access to software applications over the internet on a subscription basis. Examples include Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, which allows users to utilize powerful tools without local installations. PaaS, or Platform as a Service, allows developers to build, deploy, and manage applications without worrying about underlying infrastructure. This service streamlines the development process and enhances productivity. IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service, provides virtualized computing resources such as virtual machines and storage over the internet. Users can rent IT infrastructure, which offers flexibility and control over their computing environment. Many people use cloud storage services such as Google Drive or Dropbox to save and access photos and files securely. This allows for easy sharing and collaboration while ensuring all of your data is backed up. Cloud computing enables real-time collaboration through online tools like Slack and Trello. These platforms facilitate teamwork regardless of geographical location and improves productivity. Services like Netflix and Spotify rely on cloud computing to deliver streaming media. Users can enjoy their favorite shows and music from anywhere, showcasing the convenience of cloud technology. In summary, cloud computing is a vital technology that enhances accessibility, collaboration, and efficiency in various aspects of life and business. By understanding its basics and features and real-world applications, beginners can leverage cloud solutions effectively. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.